What's up YouTube? Trail King here. Welcome to my channel where I promote about trail building, riding, and maintaining. Today is a beautiful day here at Mountain Creek. It is Thursday, so we have Thursday Night Race League number 8 coming straight to you. We are on lower DMLH and we're super stoked to see the action that's going to go down on this course here. So this course is a blue course, but it is quite rough, it is quite rugged. It has seen quite a bit of water come down over the years, so a lot of these rocks are exposed. As you can see, I started trail crew a few weeks ago here at Mountain Creek, and I'm super stoked about this opportunity to work here at the mountain under George Ryan, who has been putting in countless hours for the last 16 years to make this mountain what it is. So I'm super stoked to learn from him. This trail, it was kind of my rite of passage where I had to weed eat, I had to blow it, I had to rake it, and get it ready for race day just for you guys. So I'm super excited to unveil my first trail cleaning and super excited to also be putting down some laps tonight. So I'll put down 2 heaters, I'll throw on the GoPro, see what we can make happen.
Let's go. Get off your crazy boy.